1, 2, 3. Go ahead.
Oh. What? How do we get the same
the
color?
green one.
Orange. I got an orange. It's cute though. It's the red sparkly one. This is my last squishy dumpling. Hopefully it's the rare one because oh my! No, guys, I got the heaviest ones and both of them are the glitter dumplings.
Okay, go.
2, 1. Are you? Oh my! Are you kidding me? I got another yellow one. No. This is my third yellow one. Okay, this better not be another yellow one. If it is, I'm going to crash out because this is my last one. So it's not.
Go.
I got a green glitter one. Yes. It's not yellow. Finally. No music. I love all my dumplings.